everyone, Snitika here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can create this look. So if you're interested, then let's begin. First, on an angled brush, I'm going to take some gel liner and then I will be creating an outer wing. Before doing this, I have already done my base makeup, that is I have applied some concealer and then have set it with some loose powder. I will extend this liner, but if you want to keep it short, then you can. Then I'm going to use this shade. With the help of a brush, I'm going to blend the black eyeliner to make it look soft. I will blend this very slowly and precisely because I do not want to destroy the wing. With the help of a fluffy brush, I'm again going to take that brown shade and I will be applying it on my crease area and I will take it somewhat towards my inner corners. I will mainly concentrate the product on my outer corner. Again, I'm going to take that same color, but this time I will be using a flat brush rather than a fluffy brush because I only want the product on a particular area and not in many places. Then I will be blending the both properly so that it gives a soft look. Now I'm going to do a cut crease, and for that I will be using the concealer by Swiss Beauty. I am on the shade Sand Sable. First, I am going to mark the area where I am going to cut the crease. Then I will go for filling the area. Here I am not going to cut the clips so that you can see properly how I am doing this. As I always tell in my videos that do not hurry while doing anything, because if you just hurry and make a mistake, then it can create a lot of mess. Rather than that, just focus on doing it slowly and precisely, and that is how you develop your skill. Now after doing this, I'm going to take a fluffy brush and I'm going to take some loose powder and I'm going to set the area where I've done the cut crease. Now I will take this beautiful fluorescent pink kind of shade and with the help of another flat brush, I'm going to apply it on my area where I've done the cut crease. Now I'm going to take some more of the gel liner on an angled brush and I'm going to intensify the color of my wing. Again, I'm using this brush to make the wing look soft. Now I'm going to take some more of the concealer and I'm going to apply it beneath my outer wing to give it a very sharp look. I will also use this concealer to clean any fallouts from my eyeshadows. Whenever you get fallouts from eyeshadows, then first remember to clean them with a makeup remover and after that go on with some concealer. Now with a beauty blender, I'm going to blend it properly. Now I will use the gel liner as kajal, that is kohl, to apply on my lower lash line. I won't apply it all over my lower lash line. I will only apply it on my outer part towards my middle part. Now I will be taking this shade on a round brush and I will apply it on my lower lash line to smoke it out and to make it look soft. Now I'm going to use this liquid eyeliner by LA18 and I'm going to create a inner corner wing or a pointed inner corner, whatever you call it. Instead of a liquid liner, you can also use a gel liner or a pen liner. After creating this, I'm going to use this liner and I will apply it on my upper lash line and I will try to keep the liner on my upper lash line as thin as possible. Now I'm going to use this shade as a highlighter and I will apply it with the help of a round brush on my brow bone and inner corner. Then I will use this mascara and I will apply it on my upper lashes and lower lashes. Before applying the mascara, you can also curl your lashes by using the eyelash curler. If you do not want to wear some lashes, you can totally skip them, but I'm going to wear, so let me just go quickly off camera, wear them and then show you the final look. So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved this look and if you did, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. And also do not forget to comment down below and let me know what other eye looks you want me to create it for you. Till then, have fun, take care of yourself. Bye bye.